Currently, there are dozens of website builders, e-commerce platforms and tools that allow you to list your products and sell them through your own online storefront. However, we have only come across 3 full-feature e-commerce platforms that offer generous free plans that are ideal for small businesses looking to start selling online. Hey team, Stewart here, welcome back and thanks for joining me if it's your first time visiting this channel. Now today I'm excited to break down and share with you our top 3 e-commerce platforms that are ideal for small businesses looking to start selling their products online completely for free. Okay, now before we dive right into this video, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to grow your small business online. And with that quick note, let's identify the best free e-commerce platform that is appropriate for your small business. Okay, so first on our list we have Etsy. Now this is a powerful e-commerce platform built for individuals that sell unique and handcrafted goods, making this an ideal platform for small and local businesses. Essentially, Etsy allows you to open an Etsy shop, which is basically an online store that is listed on the Etsy marketplace. It's very simple to create a shop and list your products on Etsy. And once your shop is open, you will be able to access the millions of shoppers searching on the Etsy marketplace every year. You can also share your Etsy shop across other platforms, channels and social media to reach other customers outside of Etsy. Now in terms of pricing, you don't pay any monthly subscriptions to sell your products. However, there is a product listing fee that lasts 4 months or until you sell out, and a transaction fee when you make a sale. Basically, you can think of Etsy as a sales channel for your online store to reach the millions of shoppers within this Etsy marketplace, or as a standalone online store that you can drive your customers to via organic or paid marketing activities. Now, the downside of Etsy is the extremely limited customization options, and every Etsy store is identical in terms of the product listing style and structure, as well as the store layout. However, Etsy is still an ideal option if you want to sell on their marketplace, and is also a profitable sales channel to use even if you already have your own e-commerce store to reach more people with your products. Next, we have our favorite e-commerce platform called Ecwid, which is built specifically for small businesses. This online store builder allows you to simply create your e-commerce website and list up to 10 products for free. No monthly or transaction fees. You can also connect your Ecwid shopping cart to other website builders like Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, and others if you already have a website and you want to start selling products through that existing website. Now, Ecwid has a simple block content builder that anyone can use to create a website in minutes. Also, if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan in the future as your business grows, you have the option to leverage other sales channels like Facebook Shop, Instagram Shopping, Amazon, and more to reach more customers across platforms. Okay, so Ecwid is innovative, user-friendly and generous to small businesses looking to create an online store and have under 10 products to sell. The free plan is a great place to start, and you can always upgrade to an affordable paid plan when your business expands and grows down the track. And last but not least, we have Bigcartel, which is our final free e-commerce platform that we want to discuss today. Now, Bigcartel is designed for creatives, artists, and musicians that want to sell their unique offering online. With Bigcartel, you can sell up to 5 products for free, which is sufficient enough for some small businesses. However, Bigcartel stands out for its ease of use, making this an ideal option for beginners selling online for the first time. Again, listing products is an absolute breeze compared to Etsy and Ecwid. Also, you can select from dozens of stunning pre-made templates rather than building your online store from scratch. Basically, if you only have a few products and you have zero knowledge when it comes to selling online, then Bigcartel is the ideal e-commerce platform option for you. And there we have it, guys. That is it for our comprehensive e-commerce platform guide. Now, I hope this helped you identify the best e-commerce platform for your online selling needs. Now, if you have any questions about this video, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way, I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.